Hello, this is Technician from High-Tech in Laser Cleaning Machine. Next, we will explain the continuous 200W cleaning machine from Hgstar. This is the Hgstar 2000W laser. This is the Hanley water cooler. This is the system. This is Hgstar continuous 2000W cleaning head. Electricity. We use 220V voltage, which consists of 1 live wires, 1 neutral wire, and 1 ground wire. Connect electricity. Firstly, find position of live wire, 0 wire, and ground wire on breaker, connecting correspondingly with those wires we have. After that, check again if wire number position is installed accurately. Next, explain the process of how to access the gas of the continuous cleaning machine. This is the air outlet. To open the valve, the gas needs to reach 0.4 bar. Water tank filling and maintenance. This is the water inlet. First open the water cover. Before using, we must fill the water tank with distilled water. At the first time it is needed to add water to yellow area. When system is working, water level line should be in upper position of green area. Please noted that in the case of using at winter, if local temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius, it must add antifreeze of ratio 710 ths of water, 310 ths of antifreeze. The water must be distilled or purified. In case frequent using, it is necessary to replace water between 1 to 2 months. If the system doesn't work for a long time, please drain the water in time. When the water is finished, put the water cover on. Next, turn on the main power supply and turn on the main switch of the cabinet. Check the temperature of the water cooler. This is the temperature indicator. The standard temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. 25 degrees Celsius temperature can be turned on. If the machine is turned on below 25 degrees Celsius, it needs to wait for a while to wait for the machine to run itself to 25 degrees Celsius. If the temperature exceeds 25 degrees Celsius, the water cooler has a temperature upper limit, then the water cooler will cool itself. Boot procedure. These buttons are emergency stop, scan head, controller, fiber. Open emergency stop, scan head, controller, and fiber in turn. System introduction. After entering the interface, click Settings. Customers can adjust their own language according to the country. First, adjust the power. The power is adjusted to 50. Adjust the scan speed to 10,000. Adjust the scan width to 40. There is a special place behind the cabinet for the gun head. Cleaning operation. Before cleaning, wear safety goggles. Remove lens cap before cleaning. Next, open the enable on the screen and click OK. The cleaning operation can be carried out. Protective mirror replacement precautions. When replacing the protective mirror, wear dust-proof gloves and replace the protective mirror in a dust-free environment. Shutdown operation. After the cleaning process is complete, we turn off the machine. Switch off fiber, controller, scan head, emergency stop, power off the cabinet, and finally the general power supply. Our Hgstar continuous 2000W cleaning machine operation demonstration completed. If there are any other after-sale questions, please get in touch with HG Technician and we will help to solve it.